Ever wondered how to simplify deep learning tasks with minimal code and data? Well, the book Deep Learning for Coders with Fastai and PyTorch by Jeremy Howard and Sylvain Gugger offers a practical approach to just that. Dive into the first chapter and discover the power of deep learning. It's here that you'll get an introduction to the Fastai library. This tool is designed to simplify deep learning tasks, allowing you to achieve remarkable results with minimal code and data. It's like having a secret weapon in your programming arsenal. As you turn the pages to Chapter 2, you'll find yourself immersed in the world of computer vision. Learn to train models that can recognize images, detect objects, and more. It's like teaching your computer to see and understand the world around it. Chapter 3 introduces you to the domain of natural language processing. Here, you'll learn to build models that understand and generate text. Imagine creating a machine that can write poetry, or even understand the nuances of sarcasm. It's not science fiction, it's deep learning. Move on to Chapter 4, and you'll encounter the realm of tabular data. This chapter will guide you on how to handle structured data, like those found in spreadsheets or databases. Learn to predict outcomes based on historical data, a skill that can be invaluable in countless industries. In Chapter 5, you'll explore the world of collaborative filtering. This technique is often used in recommendation systems, like those on e-commerce sites or streaming platforms. Learn to predict user preferences, a tool that can create personalized experiences for customers or users. The journey doesn't end there. Chapter 6 delves into the theory behind deep learning. Develop a deeper understanding of the algorithms that power your models. It's like peering under the hood of a car, offering insight into what makes your machine tick. Chapter 7 will guide you on how to improve your models. Discover the latest techniques to increase accuracy and speed. It's like tuning your car for optimal performance. In the 8th chapter, you'll learn how to deploy your models as web applications. This skill allows you to share your work with the world, making your models accessible to anyone with an internet connection. The final chapter, Chapter 9, discusses ethical considerations in deep learning. It's a reminder that with great power comes great responsibility. With a foreword by PyTorch co-founder Soumith Chintala, gain insight into the potential pitfalls and ethical dilemmas in the field of deep learning. So, if you're a programmer with a Python background and you're interested in deep learning, this book could be your next great read. It's practical, insightful, and packed with actionable information. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. Your support helps us to continue providing content that enlightens, inspires, and informs. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and keep coding.